God bless you, Jamaica. This is Power of God Ministry International, one of the greatest and powerfulest ministry around the world. We are going through this festive season, and we are approaching the season of the storms. We know for sure that Jamaican people have already prepared. Our Prime Minister have already put infrastructure together. Our MPs, our councillors, we are ready, and we're ready to take on any storm that will hit Jamaica. I provide products for my team, for my church, and also for my constituency. The division that I have assigned is Christian division. I send a truckload of stuff up there, food stuff, and also we have chapel and those things to distribute towards the society. So we want to let society know that we have your heart. We will love you, we believe in you, and we want you to be safe and be cool for this storm season. We know that Jamaica is going through a lot of ups and downs at this time. We just go through the major election, and our Prime Minister just put back things together to make Jamaican people proud of our country. So we want you to stand with us, pray up our Prime Minister, pray up our ministers of government, pray up our councillors, so we can contribute to the well-being of society and development at large. We are here, Power of God Ministry International. My team is here, we are ready. We are providing our chargers. We have the power bank, those things that we have, so we can distribute them as quickly as possible. We go through the constituency in Christiana, and we make sure that our people is in good spirits. We're not 100% agree that storm is coming. I must tell you, as a prophet of God, I am not 100% agree that storm is coming. But all the people that have their heart at a weak point, we want to let you feel comfortable. We want to let you feel safe. So we provide food stuff at the Christiana branch, at the Councillor office in Christiana. I represent Mrs. Audrey Marks. She is our MP for the Northeast Manchester, and they take over from Mr. Holly Shaw, a great man of God. So we want to contribute to the well-being of Jamaica and the society at large, and we want to make sure that Jamaican people are proud of their leaders and also proud of their MPs and their councillors. As a caretaker, I want to shout out to all my team out there in the foreign land, in the diaspora, around the world, my members and staff. We love you, we believe in you, and we know that God will see you through in this terrible time. As time goes by, our church will always open through storms, through rain, through sun, tough time, rough time, quiet time. Our church door will always open for a helping hand for anyone. It don't matter if you're a JLP or you're a PMP, we're here to support Jamaican people. The most important thing, we were Jamaica first, and we'll continue to be Jamaica. I want to shout out all our Maroon members and staff up there. Colonel Curry, I want to shout out to you, sir. I'm trying my best to send some stuff at the Maroon Center to help the Maroon in St. Elizabeth. I will send a truck with some stuff also to make sure they have free stuff on there. And I will make sure that Jamaican people are proud of Power of God Ministry International and the Prophet Royal. Be strong, be focused, be positive, and God bless you and have a perfect and wonderful life. Salam.